Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into something truly unique in the world of laptops. The dual screen productivity laptop may finally have been born. The one and only ACEMAGIC X1. Not only does the laptop bring seriously style and performance, but also takes a leap into the future with a revolutionary dual screen design. So let's unbox this beauty, explore its features, and we'll see what makes it ultimate choice for multitaskers, gamers and professionals alike in the ACEMAGIC X1 video review. Let's start with the unboxing experience. ACEMAGIC has put thought even in the packaging, presents the X1 in a sleek premium box. As soon you can see the black and gold color scheme, it feels you opening something exclusive. The ACEMAGIC logo embossed right on the center, its minimalistic yet luxurious setting the tone for what's inside. And inside, the X1 is carefully packed. You first met the bold X1 logo and the phrase "you work partner," a nice touch that signals that laptop focus on productivity. Beneath it we find the essentials, a 64-watt USB Type-C power adapter and the instructions manual. But the real excitement, of course, is the laptop itself waiting to be revealed. Now let's take a look at the design. The ACEMAGIC X1 sports a stunning matte black finish with a reflective ACEMAGIC logo that exudes elegance. At less than 2 kilos, it's surprisingly lightweight, especially for a laptop that packs in two 14-inch screens. The X1 strikes the perfect balance between portability and versatility, making it easy to carry around without sacrificing the screen area on the laptop. The dual screen feature is a showstopper here. When you lift the primary screen, a fiber cloth resists over the keyboard, a thoughtfully touched to keep everything pristine. ACEMAGIC has taken a unique approach with the dual display. Both 14-inch screens are fully HD IPS panels, providing bright, crisp visuals with 1920 by 1080 resolution. They lock together with the magnetic cover on the right, and thanks to a smart hinge mechanism, the secondary screen can rotate it a fully 360 degrees. This design brings flexibility, allowing you to use the X1 in multiple modes, whether you are working, presenting or relaxing. The dual screen setup on the ACEMAGIC X1 is game-changing. With a few taps you can switch between different display modes using the buttons above the keyboard. The A button activates the primary screen, while the B button powers up the secondary one. You can have everything at the same time on the both screens at once, or you can even go into multi-video mode, which gives you endless multitasking options. Imagine editing a document on the one screen while keeping reference materials or entertainment on the other. It's productivity redefined. ACEMAGIC's dual screen implementation goes beyond aesthetics. When you fold the secondary screen back, the X1 transitions into an oversized tablet-style setup, perfect for collaborative work and presentations. While the primary display turns off automatically, the setup gives users a truly dual-screen experience in a compact form factor. It's ideal for a work environment where you need multiple displays but want something portable. Playing games together with friends on one laptop has never been done better, and fun is guaranteed. Under the hood, the ACEMAGIC X1 packs some impressive specs for a variety of tasks. It's powered by Intel's 12th Gen Core i7-12515U processor. This chip boasts 10 cores, 2 performance cores and 8 efficient cores, giving the power of handle multitasking effortlessly. Clocking with a max turbo of 4.7 GHz, this laptop offers excellent performance without excessive power consumption thanks to its efficient 15 watts of thermal design power. Graphics are driven by Intel's RX Z iGPU, which will not dedicate to high-end gaming. but can comfortably run lighter 3D games and handle HD video playback. So if you're into gaming but tend to stick to less demanding titles, the X1 has you covered. Plus, its integrated graphic can power up to 4 displays at 4K, making it suitable for those who need a versatile visual setup. Memory and storage options are equally robust. The 16GB of upgradable DDR4 RAM and 1TB SSD. The storage operates at gentle speeds, ensuring quick load times and efficient data handling, especially useful for large files and heavy multitasking. When it comes to connectivity, the X1 is designed to keep you connected and efficient. It includes USB 3.0 ports, HDMI 2.0 output capable of 4K at 60 Hz and a USB Type-C port dedicated to charging. Wireless options include Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, so you'll have fast, stable connections wherever you are, at the office or in the go. Let's also highlight some unique buttons. On the top right corner above the keyboard there is a fingerprint sensor built into the power button for quick, secure access, and additional buttons for toggling between display modes, giving you control at your fingerprints. In terms of performance, the ACEMAGIC X1 is a strong contender for everyday task, multitasking, and even light gaming. With its efficient Intel Core i7 processor and optimized power settings, it handles typical office work, browsing, and media played with ease. Temperatures during the outtest staying with a comfortable range thanks to a dual blower fans that keep it cool even when pushing in the higher workloads. It maintains a stable temperature profile, ensuring a smooth experience. For those who need a laptop that can keep up with all day, the X1 does not disappoint. With its dual screen setup you can expect a battery drain, but ACEMAGIC's design focused on efficiently in a real-world usage, the browsing and the document editing. It can go up to 6 to 8 hours of working. It's impressive fit for a dual screen laptop, making it a reliable choice for professionals on the move. In summary, the ACEMAGIC X1 stands out as a truly unique dual-screen laptop tailored for professionals and multitaskers. With its two 14-inch Full HD displays that fold out horizontally rather than stacking, it delivers a desktop-like multitasking experience in a compact form. The 360-degree rotation on the secondary screen adds flexibility, making it perfect for presentations and collaborations. Under the hood, the Intel 12 Gen 7 Core i7 processor paired with 16GB of RAM and 1TB SSD provides ample power for productivity tasks and even light 3D gaming, supported by Intel RX graphics that can handle multiple 4K displays. Altogether, the X1 is a ideal choice for those seeking a lightweight yet powerful productivity device, setting itself apart as a versatile tool for modern work environments and creative projects. In the current laptop landscape, the X1 might not be perfect, but it does represent a different approach for expanding screens in laptops. At just over $800, the X1 offers the solid specs and one-of-a-kind dual-screen design at a competitive price. The ACEMAGIC X1 makes an incredible case for itself. It's a glimpse into the future of laptops, and it's right here ready to elevate your workflow. So if you are interested in the ACEMAGIC X1 dual-screen laptop, be sure to check out this official sales link below this video and purchase yourself the new dual-screen laptop. That will be all for today. Make sure to subscribe for more exciting reviews and let us know in the comment what you think about the ACEMAGIC X1. That's all for today. See you soon in the next video. Until then, bye.